Hi, I'm Ollie from Balance Kids Yoga, and today's yoga break will be
under the sea. Before we dive in, let's take a big breath in and a big breath out. Right, off we go. Let's dive in by reaching up high and then fold all the way down, touch your toes, and then onto your bellies. Let's swim around and see what we can see. A fish! Roll onto your back, feet together for your tail, and rest on your elbows. Look up at the sky and blow some bubbles. Well done, yoga fish. Let's keep swimming on our tummies. Ooh, look, an octopus. Lie flat on your back with your arms and legs in the air, wobbling around like octopus tentacles. Ah, that feels nice. Let's swim some more. What else can we see? Ooh, I can see a dolphin. Come onto your hands and your knees and then make a fin with your hands on the floor. Now, lift up your bottom to the sky for your dolphin pose. Fantastic work, dolphins. Let's swim some more. Uh-oh, I think I just saw a shark! Maybe if we come into shark pose, they'll think we're one of them. Come onto your belly and make one long tail with your feet together. Then take your hands behind your back and lift them up for your fin. Watch out! Quick, let's hide in our turtle shells. Sit on your bottoms with your feet together. Take your turtle fins out in front and then down between your legs. Creep them under your knees and fold forward into your turtle pose. Phew, that was close. Let's take a rest now with the beautiful rocks and shells as we come into rock pose, curling up nice and small at the bottom of the sea. Feels good to rest. Let's take a nice big breath in to finish and a big breath out. See you next time.
Thanks for joining me, everyone. I've got lots more videos for you, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.